The following video is a summary of a WordPress installation. WordPress is a CMS system. CMS stands for Content Management System. The things you will need for your WordPress installation will include a text editor, a web browser, an FTP client, web host account, and a registered domain. For your text editor, you can get Notepad, which is free and works on Windows, or you can get TextEdit, which works on Mac and is also free, or you can use other systems like Microsoft Word, OpenOffice, or Pages. You will need a web browser. Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Safari would do just fine. There's lots of other smaller name browsers, but one of these would be sufficient. You will also need FTP software. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. You can use applications such as QtFTP, FileZilla, CyberDuck, which is mainly for Macs, or inside the control panel or cPanel of your hosted account, which we'll talk about next. For your hosted account or web host, there are many companies to choose from. Here are just a few: Bluehost, DreamHost, and yes, Laughing Squid. Once your web host is set up, then you need to head over to wordpress.org and download all the WordPress files. After downloading the WordPress files, you will then connect to your web host account via FTP and start to upload all of the WordPress files that you recently downloaded. Once all the files are uploaded, you need to go to your web host account and begin to create a database that will be used for your WordPress system. After creating the database, you then need to configure the database configuration file. This can be done with one of the text editors that you have chosen. After the database configuration file is edited properly, you can then go to your domain name / whatever directory you placed all your files in, and the automatic installation process will begin. After the installation, simply log into your admin and begin creating content.